Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hayes County, northwestern Guadalupe County, southwestern Blanco County, eastern Kendall County, north central Bexar County, Comal County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Kendall, or 10 miles south of Blanco, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include New Braunfels, San Marcos, Church, Cibolo, Wimberley, Blanco, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Fair Oaks Ranch, Bulverde, Garden Ridge, McQueenie, Wood Creek, Santa Clara, Guadalupe River State Park, Kendall, Smithson Valley, Spring Branch, Peyton, and Pflugrath. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is Noah.